Hi, and welcome back to another awesome product review with Josh.
And Babe.
So tomorrow is my birthday, and Babe bought me a little early birthday present that she discovered. So if you know, I'll link it below. We made a video, or I made a video, of how to make a perfect bourbon old fashioned. And I showed you some of the tips and tools that we use to really level up our cocktail game, especially when we're entertaining and stuff like that. This is another product that we just stumbled upon, and it really takes your old fashioned cocktail game to the next level.
Yes.
Yes, babe. So let's just jump into it and talk about this product. Link below for all this stuff. Link below for the other video of that. Link below for this stuff. All the show notes, of course, are down below. Thank you guys for watching. Let's jump into this video. This is impressive. So we first heard about this product on Christmas when Babe's parents bought me a little sample. Babe took it to another level and found all these. Yeah, babe, pull them out and let's talk about this. So check out this little card. So if you know anything about an old fashioned, you got some whiskey, you got your ice, you got your cherry, you got your orange, and then you got some type of simple syrup or bitters, or both actually. So this is incorporating not only the simple syrup, but the bitters with a lot of different herbs and special spices and stuff like that. So let me read you this card. This stuff is incredible. I've tried it a couple times. Highly, highly, highly recommended. Okay, Bittermilk is a line of handcrafted cocktail mixers made by bartenders with real all-natural ingredients. More than just normal bitters, they are complete non-alcoholic cocktail mixers. Each mixer uses a unique bittering agent, a sweetener, and then an acid to achieve the perfect balanced cocktail. These are super, super cool. Labors in the bottle, just add booze. All mixers, they yield a number of cocktails. These are the bigger ones. You can get different sizes and stuff like that. An easy ratio we're gonna show you. So we have 3. They have like 10 flavors.
Yeah.
So what flavors did you get me, babe?
All right, so this one right here, this is the Oxygen Old Fashioned, aged with cacao husk. Strong and bittersweet with old-fashioned spices and chilies.
So this is my favorite one. It's bourbon barrel-aged old-fashioned. Some of the ingredients in this one, golden cane sugar, water, orange peel, spices, some type of root. These are all made in South Carolina by hand, no machines, human beings, locally owned company, well, not locally, but American-made company, human beings are actually mixing these, actually bottling them and making them. So just really, really incredible stuff, guys. Check this out. Babe's gonna show you right now and demonstrate how to make one of these drinks real fast. We're gonna be using this one right here, and you're in the game. So here, Babe's gonna make you one.
We have our Kentucky bourbon. We like Trader Joe's. It's inexpensive, it's tasty.
It wins awards.
It wins awards. So we'll start right here, because you usually would start with a bitters, so we're gonna start with our Bittermilk. The amount that I have found goes best is if you have a small jigger, the small side. So I think that's probably like a half an ounce, maybe like a quarter of an ounce. You have to play around with it to see what you like, because some people like them sweeter and some don't. So again, this is your bitters, your simple syrup, and a lot of other spices. So we're gonna do our cherry. Now again, this is how I make it. Babe makes it different, because I like to mix everything together before I put the ice in. We're gonna grab a little piece of orange here. Okay. We're gonna mix that around. Pour a little bit of whiskey. We're gonna put our ice cube in. We like these big ones here. I fill it up right to the top of the ice cube.
And you can do more or less whiskey depending on your taste.
Yeah, depending on how you like it.
That's just how we like it.
So there you are. That's how I make mine. A very tasty old fashioned.
Babe got me, side note, Babe got me these glasses from a company called Bin Shot, another American-made, hand-blown glass, has a little bullet in here, thin blue line flag. So pretty awesome. So anyways, let's give it a sample-y sample. These really do that. It makes such good drinks. Such good drinks. You guys,
Glad you like it.
Literally, if you're anywhere near the bourbon old fashioned game and that's something you enjoy, you will not be disappointed. Use our link below. It supports the channel, doesn't cost you anything more. Amazon Prime, get this stuff sent to you, make it like this, tweak it a little bit, try the different flavors. There's like 10 different flavors. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. And as always, check out another video. Check out this video here. Check out this video here. And we'll see you guys on the next one.